What was it? Didn't I have one over here for this? The issue is, does it show up? I don't see it, so no, I guess. So whatever. The other one was restream, and I go update titles. Day 7 everhood. So that takes care of that. Go to Twitch and edit my game to everhood 2. Save. Okay, and I can close that. Can I? Let's maybe not close that and instead go to YouTube and try to get a royalty-free playlist, a copyright-free playlist for Twitch. Updated yesterday, it says. Sure. So, this is day 7 of trying to make this Everhood mod. It would be day 6, but I did spend at least one day just kind of looking through the shit 2 years ago or so. So this is me actually trying to finish it. We've got the Harpy baby here. We were looking at characters up here. So the next one is Shade, who I need to get a everhood to shade face sprite. all of that to do one thing. Apply. And now we have this, and we can go sprite editor, go... Oh, stop. Close that, go from single to multiple, go sprite editor, apply. Slice, go bottom, sounds right, slice, got all of them, and apply. I have all of those. Now I can go up here and duplicate barbot, rename it to shade, do the name as shade, name color, it's just white, right? Everhood to shade. Gray and then light gray. So like this, and then like this. Perfect. We'll figure out the voices later. The next one is Harpy. Whose name is going to be that color, and their dialogue is going to be that color. I'm forgetting something. Oh. No, I'm not. She's right there. What am I forgetting? I don't know. We did the shade images. That's just kind of there and done now. I made this, but I don't think... Oh, never mind. I'm dumb. I do actually have to do the portraits here. I am getting distracted. Shade is down here, presumably, yes. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Happy Harpy. Okay, default 2D sprite. We want it to be multiple, have it be point and none quality compression. Apply. Now we go sprite editor, we go slice, bottom existing, almost. Um, right, I know how to do this. Ba, 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 da, da, ba, da, 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 da. I don't need the fourth one. And apply. Okay. Sorry, I shut my brain off for a second while that was playing. Um, take all of these. Close this real quick. Oops. Still selected? I did name it Troll, right? I'm not tripping? What just happened? Okay, character's body, go here. Right? Yeah, this is the animation. She needs to be on the front layer. And I can do all the collision and stuff later. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Going up here, I need to duplicate and call it Troll. And then go Troll. Her name is going to be this color. Maybe a bit more like that. And then the text will be bright blue. Portraits are still on Harpy Baby. There's 3 to be spoken of, and they are nowhere near here apparently. Because they are in the T's, of course. Boop, 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 boop. I can play Zelda music, right? Okay. Portraits are done there. Going down. We have these 3. Am I missing something? background, foreground? Oh, this is the table. That's, there we go. Simply don't fuck with it. If it works, it works. Now, take this and turn it into a 2D sprite with point and 0 quality. Apply. And we are going to rename it. Can I rename it? Use this. I want to duplicate it just in case. And then turn that off, take this, go to sprite, and search and use this. Because now it should be good to see. Hopefully this will fix the issue where if I walk too far north then I can't see anything. Plus now I can be like, hey look, there's Shade. Couldn't see him before, could ya? Oh right, this. Oh, turn it into a 2D sprite, single. I don't think this will affect it, but I guess I should do that. Apply, bring it up here. Hang on. Conker's Bad Fur Day is good to go? Let me just put Conker's on. Conker's Bad Fur Day OST. There's 18 videos. Okay, maybe not the intro song. So there we go. These are the right vibes. This is good, this is what we want to happen. We need it to be on the front and for it to be like 5 so that it completely covers the screen. Might as well be right here. We would be standing right here, it would be under the text sprites, but I think that makes sense, it just works like that. I don't know if there's a way to animate it fading in, other than me putting an animation in. So we could try doing that later, but this is the reference idea. Pink sprite. Now we got this guy. Oh, this seems to be working. I'm gonna keep this here just in case. Oh. I'm forgetting something. Right, this. Go to... Turn it into a sprite, make sure there's multiple, it is a point, and it is none quality. Go to sprite editor, slice. Got 4 sprites, good. You want to be the bottom, which is the shadow. Slice and apply. This is Silo. Rename it to such. Put it in not character's body. He would be a dynamic sorting layer character, but I'm gonna put him on the front just so I know where he is right now. I don't care if he's a little tall, he should be. I think for now, to populate the bar a little bit more, let's put him in the bottom right. So now we go dynamic sorting layer, grab the sprite to render, and it should just work. Again, I'm adding collision later. Silo doesn't have a talk sprite, but I guess we could make a thing anyways. Do red name and then blue text. We'll see if that's readable. Yeah, for now let's just give him this one, because it's unfortunate that we don't have one. I didn't make one. We got Mary here. I haven't downloaded these yet. You know, edit those in a bit. There's a lot of stuff I need to do with that. So we'll do the talk sprites for Torlang later. But go to downloads. We have these two new things. Did I finish the last one I was doing? Yeah. 2D sprite, point, none, apply. Multiple, apply. Slice should be good to go. I think. Again, these are all probably going to be like super fast when we first go in, and I'll have to slow them down. Remember how to slow them down. Right, I never added them in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Torlang. Put them in body. Dynamic sorting layer. Put them in front. Move them over here. Mary is going to be sitting right here, so let's put Torlang, and Carlos is right here. Torlang is going to be referencing Carlos, so put them right here. Because the arm is hanging over the wall, but the foot looks like it's in the right place. I'm tempted to swap those feet around, actually. It looked good right there, but against the wall here, I feel like you'd turn your foot that way to be parallel with the wall. Just a thought. I'd have to reanimate it to do that, and recolor the shoes. Okay, put it back to default. That's where they are. Go to characters. Duplicate. Torlang. Torlang. You told me specific things for the name. Let's go up here. This is for the text color. So I had the assumption, if this is the dialogue color, then what if I make the name color the same thing but just a little bit darker? Like that. As opposed, or I guess the other ones are like that. That's that, because they also don't have one there. Did I spell silo wrong? hell? Um, the talk sprites. I can change these out later, I think. Or I can just add the other two in later. It doesn't really matter if it's the same sheet. Multiple, and it's 2D, go point, and none. And apply, sprite editor, slice, perfectly sliced. Nice to see. Apply. And now they are there. Wait, what? There we go. Apply. So that is correct in there. Then we have these. Sprite to the multiple, point and none. Apply. Go sprite editor, slice, go. Got 4 there. It should be bottom heavy. I believe everything should be. I keep saying that anyways though. And apply. One, two, three, four. Into body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mary. Okay, so where did that go? Um, I did make it, right? Yeah, there's this. Um, I don't see it, so I'm just gonna assume it didn't work and make sure I have the room for this next time.
my shit at you. A huge supply of tish comes from my chocolate starfish. How about some scat, you little twat? Yeah. Ho, 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 ho.
Okay, I think that's a good size. Maybe? Should we shrink her a little bit? I can't see Ori, so I can't really compare it. Also, why is she on top?
Do you really think you'll survive in here? You don't seem to know which creek you're in. Sweet corn is the only thing that makes it through my rear. How do you think I keep this lovely grin?
Mary.
Have some more caviar.
Caviar? $2D, multiple, point, and none. So apply, sprite editor, slice, apply. Now take my new sprites. One, two, three. Fuck. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
I'm really getting rather mad. You're like a niggly, tickly, shitty little tag nut. When I've knocked you out
1,
with
2, 3,
all my
4, 5.
I'm going to take your head and ram it up my butt.
Your butt.
My butt.
Mary Shrew.
That's right, my butt. My butt. My butt.
Mary Shroom. What if I just make this one really big? This is the tree. This could be the tree that hides shade.
Cursed squirrel, look what you've done. I'm flushing, I'm flushing. Oh, what a world, what a world. Who would have thought a good
Should I hide him though is the real question.
blagginess.
Do I need to hide him? What if I do something like this?
Now that's what I call a bowel movement.
But then I could just center this and then move shade. Shade doesn't necessarily need to be in the center, I can just remove the white dot.
Nice stroke.
Unless that's the egg.
Dramatic. Can you give me something with a bit more of a beat? Yeah, that's better.
So this is not a character right now, this is a world object. But it will have dynamic sorting layer. Hopefully it should appear above this. If not, that's fine, I can probably remove that tree as well. go to obstacles. No, I can't just grab it. Where the fuck is this area? The Uggas? Ugga bugga. Okay, hide that. Use this. Seems we've run out of sprites. It looks like something's missing, but it's just we haven't played the game. Character bodies. Collider. I guess since we ran out of sprites, we could start with giving this a collider or two. Circle collider. Oop. Yeah, I'm trying to do the collider. Here's a better idea. I'm gonna remove the collider from here, and I'm just going to create a collider next to it, and then I can move this around freely. Why is it not going lower than that? The hell? Bingo. And of course we can do like text stuff later. Like we can attach dialogue to the entire sprite itself. I could be wrong. Um, go back to here. Right, it's weird. Let's put Torlang back on the front so I can see them again. And I believe the collider. Something like that. I still don't know why Mary is one of the only ones showing up on default anyways. Yeah, that's easy because he has the shadow below him. I don't think she needs a collider. There's already colliders around them. Harpy Baby, Shade. I feel like I want to give Shade a circle collider just to piss people off. Just imagine you're trying to talk to this guy and you just can't fucking line it up. Okay, he does need one. It's gonna be a box collider. It's just gonna be like right there. Yeah, let's try this, I guess. And then take notes. Let me see here. Fixed table, put Orion dynamic layers, maybe even split all the objects. Then maybe I think about adding the other characters around. Oh, and Torlang. Bingo bongo. Seems like I did everything. Mod tools, build. Yes, save. I know this song. But we should probably pause it for a second. Here we go. I'm taking notes. I'm taking notes. I am here to take notes. Does this line up with the animation? Yeah, good enough. Yeah, that's good enough. Can you get behind him? No. So definitely slow him down. Oh. Maybe I should move the exit mod thing. So, to fix this, I'm going to need to put the entire table as a sprite, and then it should just kind of work. Same thing here with the counter. She's fine. These two need to slow down. Mary needs to slow down. She looks good though. Like, looking around, everybody looks how they're supposed to. I'm almost wondering if I should keep Torlang like this. They kinda look right. Maybe slow it down just a little. But I almost like how fast it's going. Like, compare it with Ori. He should be trying to go around the same speed as Ori, I think. They... I hate my life. What are you... why is there a second Mary here? No, 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 no. No, 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 no. There is not a second Mary here. What are you talking about? No. I have I have a solution for this. I definitely have a solution for this. It can take some trial and error, but I think I just need to put a black sprite right here. And like it's one single spot, but like whatever. You'll go, oh, why is there a dark spot here? Click, and then you'll get a line of dialogue like, you shouldn't be here. Go away. Going up here, it's not quite doing what it's supposed to do. It works right here, but I think I need to offset the Y value of this a bit. Shade is right here, he looks good. We go to walk up to him. Ah, you clip between him and the tree. Okay, that's fine. Did I forget to put shade on dynamic? You idiot. So the Mary Shroom, the Y offset needs to be backwards, so -1, maybe -2. I don't really know how the offset works. So we'll try -2. The other basic thing I said was that I wanted to move the exit. Because then you actually have to walk into the section to go there. Like, I don't think there's collision. There is collision, isn't there? Yeah, there's collision right here. I don't know why I did that. Because you obviously can't walk here if the exit is covering it. Unless I meant to do something like this. And then it's just the light. You have to like really try to walk into the door, which I guess isn't a problem. You should be trying to do that. So we did that. We did Mary Shroom, I think. Where we gave dynamic to shade. I forgot Alan. I fucking forgot Alan. Also, Mary has a talk sprite. This is the talk sprite? Maybe I can find a way to incorporate the fan art that I've gotten. Though it would need to be pixelated. I don't know, we'll see. I don't think this is the go. Mary gifts, Ori, if animations are inaccurate, higher quality. Um, yeah, we'll figure it out. My legs hurt. Give me a second. Honestly, I think this is just kind of a show of what exactly this process is looking like for me. I don't think we necessarily need to keep streaming. Um, I would love an idea of how to get rid of this without just... Where the fuck did it go? You know? I have no idea. Because it doesn't show up for me. It literally does not show up. I have no idea what to do about it. Um, I, I believe it okay, what if I just do create empty characters, no space body, and then move all of these in there. Because I believe what's happened is this object has somehow adopted the sprite. Uh, so deleting that should take care of it. And then rename this to character's body. Okay. Unless that's it reappearing. Please no. Is that what that implies? Um, yeah, I'm gonna assume that that's gone, but I will probably find out in the next thing. Um, I intend to stop streaming. I'm just getting distracted.